Yes, Tom, that's correct. My entry on this particular trade was 96.98. So I saw it started going long, so I took the trade. So I went long with it. I kept it because when once Cobra turned, took me long. So I'm long. I'm long. But what I'm going to do is that so we can get into the trade together. As soon as there is a significant breath or significant push up, I'm going to exit this trade. We're going to go back in. It's not a big deal. The session just started, so I'm anticipating that it's not gonna keep pushing, going long, for too long. And then we're gonna do that, and also the other pair we're going to be looking at. Let me move this aside. Will be hold on, the Euro USD. Let's see. Okay, the Euro USD guys is short, but the ocean is kind of pointing up. The hour just turned long. It's at the very top of the ocean. The ocean hasn't rotated yet, but it seems like it wants to push going long, but it's kind of difficult for the Euro USD to push going long, especially when the USD yen is going long. Those two, as a general rule, they usually don't go together. They don't go long with. They do sometimes, but as a general rule, if the Euro USD is pushing long, the dollar yen is typically dropping. But I'm looking at this right now. If you're looking at the hour, it's kind of weak as far as the hour candles. The daily chart also, we've been short on this one since 135.52, but it's not pushing that much. The 1 minute going short a little bit. So the USD has been going between, I guess I would say from 0.80 to about 7. It's been going back and forth. So I'm gonna keep looking at it, and then I'm gonna get right with you guys in 1 second. So I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. As far as looking at the dollar yen, pricing is at 97.17, and then you would touch Cobra right here at 97.09. So we are really 8 pips away from going short on the 60 minutes. The 1 minute is short, so I'm very careful over here not to take this going long. As a matter of fact, looking at this, the trade that I'm in, where I'm up 19 pips already, because I took that trade once it turned, I think that the 1 minute is also short. It might take a big breath down, but I'm not quite sure yet. So what I'll go ahead and do is that I'll close out this trade, so that way I can re-enter the trade with you guys if should it drop down. All right, you guys want to do that? I'll close it, then I'll get back in there with you guys. So okay, so right now we're all even, so it's all flat. So the 1 minute is ranging. Let's wait and see what happens. Okay, to recap, the USDN is selling off. You can tell right here the Cobra is turning from yellow to red. So we're going to be looking at taking short trades. The dollar yen was at 97.25. Now it's at 97.02. We have 18 minutes to go for this to confirm short, but it is short. I'm waiting for a pullback. As soon as it pulls back, maybe to like 97.10, we will take it short. Momentum is actually to the downside. Again, if you look at it right here, this is a confirmation that we're gonna go short, because all the long right here, it started taping off slowly but surely. Market first start showing us there is no more buying, and then it put up a dot right here. That's a stop. It's saying no more, no more long. The yellow is done. Now we're gonna start looking at red. So that's what that means. It's gonna be all short. So we're gonna be paying attention to that. A good price to start taking long would be 97.10. That'll make me feel comfortable. The 1 minute will breathe back up, then we'll take it short. All right. So that's for this currency. The euro yen is also dropping. So let's pull that back. Let's pull the euro yen. Last I checked, it was at 93. Give me a moment. I'll find it. The euro yen is still long, so, but it's still stuck at 92, 93. I don't know what it wants to do. We'll come back to that. The euro USD is gone. It's already at 35.92. That's gonna be the trade we're gonna take this morning. It's taking a small breath back up. We still have 16 minutes to go, and the 1 minute is going long right here. So let's wait to see, let's see how far it will go. If it'll go to 97.10, then we'll take it short. Let's wait. I haven't seen any trade yet in nothing has been pushing, everything has been ranging, but the dollar yen, I'm just waiting for it to drop a little bit more. I'm trying to see if it's gonna go back to break in maybe 97, maybe to go to like 96.10, I mean 96.90. Then after that, I'm gonna take that going long as a position trade. So I'm gonna wait, but the reason I will take that is because the dollar yen is overbought. I'm sorry, oversold. It's at the bottom of the ocean, but I would prefer to see a price of 97.04. But right now, if I'm scalping this, I can scalp it and get a few pips here and there. 97.04. That's what I said earlier. Yes, the euro yen short at 77. That's let me show you guys. We're just getting some pips. The euro yen, the daily short, the hour just turned short in the euro yen. That's why I'm saying it's a good short to take it short at 77. It breathed up a little bit and just hold on to it. It's a good short because it's just beginning to go short. I trust that short in the euro yen at 131.77. All right, to recap, what I was saying is this is the euro yen, the daily short. It's at the bottom of the ocean though, so we have to keep that in mind. Pricing is at 131.77, and I said short at 131.77. The hour just turned short. It's at the very top of the ocean. We're just trying to get some more pips out of this, and short at 177. That's the euro yen. Hold on for 1 second. Let me bring my dome up. Okay, short. Here we go. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna let it sit there and then let it go. Take a look at it. That's the euro yen again. So everything right there is in line. I'm okay with this short. The USD yen, taking it short, I was a little bit uneasy with it because I think that it's oversold. So that's why I'm not comfortable. But this is the euro yen. I will get back to that one. And some people always ask me to pricing right now is 131.77. I'm down 3 pips. All right. The 1 minute short. So I'm gonna hold on to this trade. I'm down 1 pip. I have one of my traders next to me screaming, "Come on, get out, get out!" I'm like, "No, I'm keeping the trade."
I'm already trying to do my own trade.
I'm just messing with him. We gotta have some fun in the trading room. If not, it wouldn't be fun, you know. But just so you know, he is saying, "Get out" on the side. Get out, get out. Oh my gosh. But anyways, I'm gonna keep this trade and I'll get back to it. Fair enough. All right. I will keep you guys posted as to what happened to it. All right, guys, I'm getting back to that to you guys on the euro yen trade. We are up 21 pips. So we got 20 pips earlier in the euro in the USD yen. You guys saw that earlier. Right now we are up 20 pips in the euro yen. We could close this right now and call it the day, but I've decided that I'm gonna keep it on for a little bit longer to see if we're gonna end up with maybe 40, 50 pips. But that's the thing. That's the beauty of this. This is the beginning of the hour. It shows you everything you need to see. Right here, it just started. This is the 15 minutes. Well, the 15 minutes is really extended too. So what I can do at the moment, I can close this one at 56. I'm gonna I'm gonna close this trade right now at 56, and then after that, I'm gonna call it the day. Okay. Let's see. Give me 1 second and see if we can actually get 20 pips exactly. Well, I think I'll get this trade right here at 20. Well, it's pulling back up, I think, so I'll wait for it. Well, I have no. I'll let it keep running to see what happens. I'll get back to it. As I was saying earlier, we are actually up 14 pips, and I'm trying to see if we can close this with positive 20. That would be nice. We already had 20 before in the USD yen. If we get another 20 here, that would make it 40 for today. That's a beautiful day. But we can do that all day. I can actually keep this trade because my system is showing that the hour is just getting started going short. I can keep it, but I don't want to breathe on me and all that kind of stuff and keep the trade for a very long time. I'm satisfied with 35 pip day, 40 pip day. That's beautiful. So any one of you guys can come in and do this with me. You can get in the trading platform with me. We can do this every single morning. That's what I do. 20, 30, 40, 50 pips. We take that all day. So if you want to join a winning team, come in. We'll give you a free trial so you can see it. Right now we're up 17 pips in that trade. I'm waiting to see if he'll give me another push down. Then I'm gonna close the trade and we'll call it the day. So we're up 17. So how about if I do that? I'll take 17 and then 16. We're at 16. Every single time I get a number, so I get 17. I guess I'm gonna take 17. How's that? Fair enough. There you go. So I just closed the trade with 17 pips. So our total for the day, 37 pips. Not bad. So the video will be on YouTube. You guys can go check it out and see for yourself. Okay. Bye bye.